Hi. Welcome to Learning English with Movies. Before we start this video, don't forget to subscribe. I gotta run.
I've got to run.
I've got to run.
I've got to run.
I'll see you out.
I'll see you out.
I'll see you out.
You better leave.
You better leave.
You better leave. Yeah, you better leave.
Yeah, you better leave.
I mean it.
I mean it.
I mean it.
I mean it. I mean it.
What's going on out there?
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 How've you been?
How you been?
Have you been?
How you been?
Have you been?
How you been?
Have you been?
Fine.
How have you been?
It's for your own good.
It's for your own good.
Honey, it's for your own good. It's for your own good.
It's for your own good.
It's for your own good.
It's for your own good.
It's for your own good.
It's not safe out here.
It's not safe out here.
It's not safe out here.
Ma'am, it's really not safe out here.
It's not safe here.
It's not safe out here.
But it's not safe out here by ourselves.
Don't go over there.
Don't go over there.
Don't go over there.
Samantha, don't go over there.
And don't go over there anymore.
Not too tight.
Not too tight.
Not too tight now.
Not too tight, though.
Not too tight.
We haven't got all day.
We haven't got all day.
We haven't got all day, Spike! Look, Skinner, we haven't got all day.
Haven't got all day, honey.
We haven't got all day. Let's go.
High five.
High five.
High five.
High five.
High five.
Do you know what just happened?
Do you know what just happened?
Do you know what just happened? Do you know what just happened?
You know what just happened?
I just bought this.
I just bought this.
I just bought this bloody car. What were you thinking?
I just bought this. Oh, man, I just bought this shirt. Oh, I just bought this new Toyota.
Could you take a picture of me?
Could you take a picture of me with my family?
Excuse me. Could you take a picture of us?
Oh, of course.
You scared me.
You scared me. You scared me.
Scary.
You scared me.
You scared me.
I'm so screwed.
I'm so screwed.
I'm so screwed. God, I'm so screwed. Oh, I'm so screwed. Oh, I'm so screwed.